Today at East Africa Chef, we're making a delicious roast cauliflower dip with homemade crackers. Start by roasting half a head of cauliflower. Toss the florets with olive oil, salt, pepper, and cumin seeds. To make the crackers, combine 50 grams of coconut flour, 100 grams of almond flour, salt, xanthan gum, and 100 grams of cold butter. Work the butter in until crumbly. Add 50 grams of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar, and 1 egg. Knead the mixture into a dough. Blend the roasted cauliflower with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder until smooth. Roll the cracker dough thinly between parchment paper, score it into strips, and transfer to a baking tray. Bake the crackers at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until golden. Serve your warm, creamy cauliflower dip with the crispy crackers. Enjoy!